a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous view.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Asteria Hair. Shout out to you, Asteria, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking, I cannot find on their site, so I'm thinking it's a newer unit. It actually, they do say on here, new arrival, honey blonde color lace wig. So this unit is in a honey blonde color, which to me is like around 27-ish. Like I always associate honey blonde with 27. So, but honey, that's pure speculation. Okay. So I do have one of my favorite things about Asteria Hair is they always put their information on their bags. So it says cap size medium, and on here they did ask me about the cap size. Their medium is 22.05, so keep that in mind. The hair density is 180%. It is a 13 by 4 lace frontal, and it is 14 inches long. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm gonna say that this is a body wave texture, although this body wave was sort of a little different to me. Like, usually with body wave wigs, I have to curl the whole unit, and with this one, I did not. So it felt a little different to me, but honey, I don't know. I don't have the texture on here, but I'm gonna lean more towards body wave, and I will have all of the information listed down below in the description box for your convenience, either way that it goes. Y'all, excuse me, my nose is so freaking stuffy. Like, even though it's fall, here in Alabama, it's still like 80 degrees, and my husband likes to sleep with the ceiling fan. The ceiling fan don't like me, okay? So, my nose is stuffy. But anyways, y'all, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, I have not experienced any of the things, okay? Like, none of it. Now, I do want to mention this. You may see some shedding, and it's because Asteria has a habit of their units having the widow's peak, and I don't have one. Okay, so my hairline extends on the sides, but it doesn't extend up there. And I don't know, it's always with their units that they have the widow's peak, which can be a good thing for a lot of people, but if you don't have widow's peak, it can make things a little, you know, I wish they kind of had like the option of widow's peak or no widow's peak, because like I said, my hair extends on the sides and it can make things a little hard for me. So I did have to cut this area right here. So if you saw some shedding, it was from that. And if you see some shedding, it's from that, because I did have to end up cutting the hair. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there so you guys know you can throw it out there so you can catch it. Another thing I want to throw out there is that, in my opinion, this is a very medium cap size, okay? Like, it's super medium. I do not feel like if you have a larger, if you wear a larger cap size, you could fit this unit, because I just feel like it is super duper uber medium, child, okay? So just keep that in mind. If I'm not mistaken, you can get it in other cap size, but this one, I would definitely say, if I have to just guesstimate, it's small to medium head friendly. Definitely not medium to large head friendly. So just want to throw that out there so you guys would know. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So I'm going to go ahead and get into how I feel about this unit, as well as the full 360. I obviously don't have to do a lint check, because honey, this is it, and no Michael Jackson. So if you're interested in that, then please continue. Okay, y'all. Honestly, I am really, I'm really feeling this unit, y'all. Okay, I really like this wig, and I thought it was a longer wig, because a lot of units were units that I was accepting when I was still I was gonna say maternity leave, when I was still on my break after my surgery. So I couldn't really remember what they were, and I just could see the color, and I was like, oh, the color is bomb, because I love units that is like that's like this. Honestly, in my family, we call these sort of colors red. Like, I know it doesn't look red, but you know, we call it red. And I love units that are like this. I love the color. The color has always been, 27 colors have always been like a fave for me. I love 27. Like, honey hair is just like gorgeous to me. So yeah, I automatically knew I was gonna like it, but I forgot that it was short. And once I realized that it was, I was like, okay. Girl, okay, I love everything about this wig. I feel like it is definitely fall appropriate. Like, everything about this wig I think is absolute perfection. Okay, the only issue I had with it was that little widow's peak of it. That bothered me. But we fixed that problem, okay? And in my opinion, she fixed that problem. Okay, so yeah, I'm feeling it, and I did decide to do the comb over method with this wig, because I feel like with shorter wigs, the comb over method just does it for me. Like, I love it. Now, it is a frontal. You can part it wherever you want to. I just chose not to have a part, but you can part this wig wherever you want to. You make that decision, child. But yeah, I am feeling everything about it. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. And I love that she woke up like this, that I didn't have to do any tweezing. And you guys know your girl is lazy. Okay, she's lazy. So yeah, I'm feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, once again, I am really feeling this unit. I think it is gorgeous. Let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. Sound off down below in the comments. Let me know if you would rock it. I want to know. And once again, shout out to you, Asteria Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you are interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, if you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both the IG and TikTok. I'm Hell to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.